What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how to use the Faker library. First of all, what is this Faker library? It's basically a library that creates fake things. And here we are going to see how to create fake useful things. So, first of all, the first thing that you have to do is to install the Faker library. How do you do that? So, you put here pip install Faker. And in this way, you are going to install this. I already have it installed, so yeah, that's why it puts this. But once you have it installed, the only thing that you have to do is, for example, import the constructor. So how do you import a constructor? So for example, you put here from Faker, import Faker with the capital F, and then you have the constructor. And now what you can do is to call the constructor. And one thing is that here, if you call this in this way, by default, you will have the English language put. So if you want different languages, what you can do is put in here Italian in this way, English in this way, and Japanese in this way. All this information is in the website, and I truly recommend you to use this website because here there are too many information. So for example, here, using the Faker class, you have all the information you need in order to use it and to do crazy things, because I'm going to show you here basic things. So once you've seen that, you have to check how to write Italian, English, Japanese, Spanish, or whatever. So if you want to use these languages, what you have to do here is to put languages. Well, you have to put the list here with the languages. So for example, you could also do this. But yeah, let's generate now names. How do you generate names? You use the object that you created here, and basically you use the method name. That's it. That's the only thing that you have to use. And if we execute this, let's execute it with the debugger, you are going to see that after executing this, we have the library, well, the variable name with the name Eugenio Matteo. So if we keep going, you are going to see that, yeah, we are generating names, we are here in Japanese, and yeah. But we can do a lot of things. So for example, if you want to create unique first names, you have to use the object and put here fake, unique, and then first name. So for example, let's come here, and remember, this is a comprehension list that is being shown in a previous video and is very useful because here we are creating a list with 50 names in just one line. So if we come here to this line, let me remove this breakpoint. If we come here to this line, after executing this, we see that we have the variable names, and this variable contains 50 unique names. And this is truly very, very, very useful if you want to create bots or whatever you want to create. So another thing that we can do is to create ISBN. So for example, this is the book thing, and in one project that I had in the university, I had to use this to create fake ISBNs. And with this, you can generate that. I forgot to print them, but yeah, you just have to put here print. Let's take all this. This is going to copy a new line, yeah. So now if let's execute this normally. Oh wow, what is happening? I have to go to the library, so I have to go to Faker. And if we execute this, you're going to see that, hey, look, you have here fake ISBN. So this was just to show you that you have a lot of things here. So if you want to create fake something, here you have it. So that was all for this video. As you can see, the video is very short, but I think that this library is very useful if you want to test things, test websites, create bots, or whatever. So if you liked the video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Ay.